it's Roya. I'm back for another video. As you guys can see by the title, this is going to be an unboxing and also a haul. So today, because I had to pick up a phone order of what I'm gonna unbox for you guys, I also did a little bit of shopping. I got a couple things. I stopped at Sephora and picked up some stuff, some hair stuff that I have been researching and really interested in. So I picked up a couple of things from that particular line that apparently is like only at Sephora. I don't know. I stopped at Mara and picked up this cute little cardigan. And I picked up some stuff from Nordstrom. And then my phone order actually came from Neiman Marcus. So without any further ado, we're gonna jump right into the unboxing. Alright, so this is what we'll be unboxing. I have not seen it since it was like wrapped and everything. So this is all new to me. Normally, my first pair of Tom Fords I ordered online. My second pair I actually got through a sales associate, the same way that I got these, which was by a phone order. I think I've mentioned it in videos previously, but if you're ever looking for certain luxury items, it is always in your best interest to find a really good sales associate, because they're going to kind of keep you up to date on things, and you can also tell them about things that you're looking for, and when it comes their way, they will do what they did with me, which is place a phone call to you, let you know that it's available, and place the order over the phone for you, which is what took place with these babies. So pretty much what happened was I got a phone call from my sales associate, I'd say about 3 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, in regards to a pair of sunglasses that I had told her that I was looking for, and unfortunately I could not find them on the Tom Ford website anymore. And I guess it's because he's gone ahead and put out all of his like spring, summer, and fall, winter 2018 items. And I told her the style number and everything, and she told me that if she ever came across them, she would give me a call. Fast forward 2 weeks later, she got a phone call from, I think she said Chicago, that they had a pair, and because they kept showing up sold out on the Neiman Marcus website, she said that she was able to find them in Chicago, and she wanted to know if I wanted them phone ordered. She was also able to find them, and they were on sale. So of course I told her absolutely. I placed a phone order, and I got an email yesterday that they were available to be picked up. So I went ahead and picked them up, and I'm excited. I took a look at them in the store, but she packaged them and wrapped them up and everything for me, so I haven't seen them since. So let's just jump into this unboxing and see what's inside. I love this packaging. It just has like a little tie right here. The paper, all on the paper, it just says Tom Ford. I think he has some of the best packaging. Next to Chanel, it's really good. And then of course you just got this nice little Tom Ford bag that they came in. And dun, 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 dun. I'm excited about these babies. So they come in your traditional Tom Ford box, and it looks like so. And then inside got your nice, and these are the newer, if you're into Tom Ford like sunglasses, you'll know that these are the new Tom Ford cases. So they're engraved in the case, on the cases, instead of like the gold writing that he had in seasons previous. Inside of the box, it came with the Tom Ford care booklet on how to care for these, in addition to the authentication card that just states, thank you for purchasing an authentic Tom Ford eyewear product. And it says that in multiple languages. Now on to the good part. So these are they, and these are all still in their packaging and everything, but these are the Tom Ford Thea. So here's your barcode. I don't know if this is showing up. Let me see, but it just says made in Italy, Tom Ford. You've got your barcode here. I'm gonna actually leave all the information and everything down in the bottom bar below, because I know you probably can't like zoom in on that to see the barcode and the style number and everything. Oh, inside you're going to get your Tom Ford cleaning cloth. That's just going to sit right in the bottom, so it hasn't come out of the wrapping yet or anything like that. But there that is. And these are, show you guys what they look like. I'm trying to be as delicate as I can. Oop. So, of course, you get just this little Tom Ford card that's on the top. And the little coverings for the handles. And this is what they look like. So these are in the color 60B, which is like a bluish tone. When I originally saw them, they were all black, and for a while, I can't think of the website, but they were on like a discounted website. But I was a little iffy about that because I'm just real funny about that kind of stuff. So I didn't know if I wanted to order them from there. So I'm really, really glad that I got that phone call that they had these in. These are gorgeous. They're oversized. The bottoms are rimless. And they're like I think they called it like a houndstooth on the outside, or a trim rim. I'm not sure. But the name of these are the Tom Ford Theas, and they're just gorgeous. Let's see. So in the inside, they just say Tom Ford, made in Italy here. And then on this handle, they have the name of them, which is Thea. And then you've got the style number and the color and like another little code. Of course, they're etched at the top, as all Tom Fords are, and it says Tom Ford right here. And they're just beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Like, I love them. I really, really do. They're a good weight. I just really like Tom Ford sunglasses, so I was really, really excited to get these. So I will leave all of the details in the bottom bar just in case you are interested in these as well. So let's move on to everything else we picked up. Next up, I stopped at Sephora and I picked up a couple of hair goodies. One of the things that I specifically went in there for, they did not have, which I was a little bit upset about, but we're going to digress. If I come across it, I'll pick it up. But I picked up a couple of goodies from Briogeo. I don't know. But I heard a lot about this brand, and I picked up their Be Gentle, Be Kind avocado and quinoa co-wash. This is no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, and I've heard rave things about this particular brand and this co-wash in particular. It was $32, I believe, but you get a really, really big, generous size. This is a 16 ounce, so I'm really, really eager to try this. I have been in the process of transitioning my hair from relaxed to natural, and we are 16 months in, so I'm at the point where I need more things that are gonna stimulate, penetrate, and help my natural hair versus the little relaxed ends that are left. I also picked up this Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. Again, there's no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. This is what the packaging looks like, and this was $24. I want to love this because I have yet to find a shampoo that works really, really good for my natural hair. I've found some that work okay, but not really, really well. So I'm really eager to try this out, and this is what the packaging on it looks like, and this is an 8 fluid ounce. So again, not too bad for the amount that you get. And then the last thing I picked up, because I still do put some kind of heat to my hair, not all the time, but when I do, I want something that's going to get it nice and silky, and this is the Briogeo Rosa Rococo Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Again, there's no sulfates, silicones, or parabens. this is what it looks like, and you get 4 ounces of this. I'm pretty sure a little bit goes a long way with it, so we will see. And I'm actually going to try these out and let you guys know, because I don't see a whole lot of reviews on these items on YouTube. I found a couple for the deep conditioner. Next up, I went to Nordstrom and I picked up a couple of skincare things. I have been on the hunt because I am almost out of my Origins, what is this, Plantscription cleanser. Very, very, very low on that. And I had purchased another Origins cleanser, the Perfect World and the Mega Bright, but I'm really on the hunt for something different. I don't know if it's that I'm not liking Origins anymore, which I don't think that's the case. I just wanted to try something different. So I went in and I picked up something from Clinique. This is their liquid facial soap in the mild for dry combination skin. Just looks like this. According to the sales associate, this was like an Old Faithful. They've been selling it for years, and anytime people kind of try out the line, she always suggests this. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it goes. This is a 6.7 fluid ounce. I want to say this is the biggest one it comes in. She had another one that was a size down, and it was like a 4 ounce or something like that. So good stuff, and it was really inexpensive. I don't even think this was 20 bucks. I also picked up the Clinique Fresh Press Daily Booster with pure vitamin C. This is supposed to be a boost for your moisturizer. This is what the packaging looks like. And I was just eager to try it, see what it's about. She says this is like a 7-day supply because they also sell like a 4-pack. You're just supposed to add it to, this is what it looks like. You're just supposed to add it to your moisturizer day or night. And it's supposed to add some pep to your skin because I've been dealing with dullness. So we're going to see how that works. So picked up my Mario Badescu facial spray. You guys have heard me talk about this a gazillion and one times. I'm actually out. Empty. So I just need to get another one. I also picked up this Laura Mercier brow grooming brush because I was out of my spoolie. I ran over it or stepped on it some time ago. Here is what it looks like, and was just in desperate need of a new one. And I hate the disposable ones because they're just really flimsy, so I thought I would invest in purchasing one. And lastly, I picked up this cute little mug. I will try to find it and link it in the bottom bar below for you guys, but it was just on sale, so I thought I would get it for my desk at work. And then last but not least, from Von Mar, I just picked up this really cute cardigan. I'm in need of a new one in a different color, and I thought this one was really nice. It was $38. And it's just super cute, super long. It's like a grandfather cardigan, nothing crazy, but I needed a new one for work. All right, you guys, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you are an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out. I'm going to film my fragrance review on the Jessica Simpson stash because I have really been enjoying that. So I love you guys as always, and I will see you in my next video.